Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a cream cheese spread with fresh herbs and diced vegetables. Also, stick around for 2 serving ideas at the end. Let me show you how. As you would expect, cream cheese will serve as the rich and velvety base. I'm using 1 kg of full fat for maximum creaminess, and will also hold up beautifully with all the veggies. Drop all of it into a large mixing bowl. Next, 2 medium onions. These will add a sharp aromatic bite and subtle sweetness when raw. Plus, they'll give our spread a satisfying crunch. Trim the ends, slice them in half and peel off the skin. Make a few vertical cuts lengthwise from root to tip and dice them up. Go fine for a smoother spread or chunky for rustic bites. The choice is yours. Let's add a handful of dill. The fresh herbal flavor pairs perfectly with the cream cheese. Give it a fine chop and drop it in the bowl. Another ingredient that will add some crunchiness is 1 large bell pepper. I love using red for its vibrant color, but any variety works. Yellow, orange or green are all great. Slice off the top and bottom, then cut it open to remove the ribs and seeds. Lay it flat, slice into thin matchsticks, then chop those into little cubes. These, together with the onions, are the bulk of the spread's crunchiness. I also like to add some thinly sliced green scallions for freshness and a pop of color. Next up, a handful of garlic cloves. 6, 7, 8, up to you. Crush them straight into the bowl using a garlic press. Freshly crushed garlic gives that punchy, aromatic base you need in this spread. Lastly, add some smoked paprika powder, freshly ground black pepper and salt to balance it all. Taste as you go, you can always add more later. Now mix everything until it's thoroughly combined. Take a moment to fold in all those veggies and herbs. Once it's mixed, here's the key step. Cover the bowl or transfer to an airtight container and let it rest in the fridge. At least 1 or 2 hours, but overnight is perfect. It gives the ingredients time to mingle and turn into something next level delicious. Let me show you how I like to serve these as breakfast. On a piece of toasted bread, add a thick layer of this spread. If you are in a rush, you can stop here or have it as a snack during the day. But let's make it more interesting. Grab a ripe tomato and cut it into thick slices, then place them on the plate. Add a few sticks of crunchy cucumber for freshness and make sure to salt everything. Much better, but I think we can go a step further. Fry an egg and place it over the toasted bread. Sprinkle some sesame seeds over the yolk. Grind some black pepper over the plate. Spray some balsamic vinegar. And finish with some olive oil. Delicious. If you want to serve some sandwiches to guests or at a party, this is how I would do it. Add a generous layer of this spread on a slice of bread. Cut a thick slice of your favorite salami. And layer it over the spread, followed by 1 slice of cheddar cheese. Now grab a mandolin and thinly slice a medium pickle. Then arrange the slices over the sandwich. Finish by grating some aged cheese. Here I'm using aged goat cheese, but Parmesan works just fine. Make them in bulk, maybe cut them into triangles, and serve as appetizers. Salty, tangy, creamy, crunchy, this bite has it all. Perfect for impressing guests or yourself. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you learn something new or inspired you to give this recipe a try. And if you do, leave a like, subscribe, and let me know how yours turns out. Want more? Check out another one of my recipes here. I think you'll love it. If you have any questions or ideas, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, bye.